Hey you guys, it's your girl Amaya Kizzy Kaylin, and today I'm back with another video. So in this video we're going to be doing 2 puffs and a bang, because bangs are really doing it for me these days, girl. So you're going to go ahead and part those 2 twists in the front. Those are for your bangs. And this is a flashback to my last video because this was filmed right after that one. Then you're going to go ahead and part your hair straight down the middle to get those 2 puffs. I actually recorded this because this is going to be my style for the rest of that week during, our little quarantine. And I want to share a nice, simple, cute quarantine style with you guys. And I didn't want to keep it to myself because I didn't want to be selfish, So that's what this video is for. A nice little quarantine style. After you part it, you're going to section 1/2 off and then detangle the next section. And trust me, despite my facial expression just does not hurt, I just look like that because I don't even know why I just look like that. Then you're going to hold your hair into a bun and brush it up with some gel, because that is how you get a sleek little puff. I'm going to use a paddle brush first, and then I'm going to use a mini brush, and then I'm going to go on with my comb to get this ponytail really sleek. And my edges are also done already because this was right after my last video, and I will show how I did my edges at the end. I'll give you a little flashback to my last video for you guys so y'all don't miss out. You're going to hear me say last video a lot, so go ahead and watch that last video, girl. Now, I'm going to do that same thing to that next side. It's really just doing 2 puffs. It is not that hard. Now, you're going to put those puffs to where you want them. That one was acting a little funny, so I had to wrap it around a couple of times. But look how big my puffs got, y'all. I'm not bald-headed no more. Look at Jesus. But anyways, take out those front 2 twists, and they were frizzy because I put no product in them. So afterwards, I just combed them out and I put some mousse in them. My DevaCurl mousse. There's controversy about that. They emailed me. They told me that they got it tested and all that, and now their products are clean. So go ahead and shop with them. We sincerely apologize. I guess I apologize too because I'm a DevaCurl girl. But anyways, twist your hair with the mousse and twirl the ends, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes so that they can dry a little bit.
Minutes later.
It's like, nah. But now you're going to come back and go ahead and take those twists out and then separate so that it can be a nice voluminous bang. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and follow me on all my socials. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!